Have you ever stared at your Chime balance, dreaming of a $5,000 withdrawal? Maybe for a down payment, a vacation, or simply to watch it burn slowly in a bonfire of financial freedom. But hold on, hotshot. Pulling out that kind of cash isn't as simple as snapping your fingers. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Chime withdrawals and see if your $5,000 dream is feasible. First off, what exactly is Chime? It's a fintech company that offers fee-free checking accounts, debit cards, and savings accounts. They've gained popularity for their user-friendly app and attractive features. But when it comes to withdrawing large sums, things can get a bit tricky. The short answer is, it depends. Chime doesn't have traditional brick-and-mortar branches, which means you can't just waltz in and withdraw $5,000 in cold, hard cash. However, they do offer a few options to get your hands on your money. Option 1, ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw money from ATMs using your Chime debit card. However, there are limits. The daily withdrawal limit is usually around $500. So, to withdraw $5,000, you'd have to make multiple trips to the ATM, which is not only time-consuming but also risky. Plus, some ATMs might charge fees, eating into your hard-earned cash. Option 2, over-the-counter withdrawals. Some retailers allow you to withdraw cash back when you make a purchase. This can be a convenient way to get smaller amounts of cash. But again, there are limits. You're typically restricted to a few $100s per transaction. To withdraw $5,000, you'd have to make numerous purchases, which is impractical and might raise eyebrows. Option 3, Chime Spot Me. Chime Spot Me feature is a lifesaver when you're short on cash. It allows you to overdraw your account by a small amount. But don't get too excited. Spot Me isn't a loan, it's more like a courtesy overdraft. And the amount you can overdraw is typically quite low, nowhere near $5,000. So, what are your options if you desperately need $5,000? Transfer to another account. You can transfer the money to a traditional bank account that allows larger withdrawals. This might involve fees, depending on the bank. Consider a different bank. If you frequently need to withdraw large sums of cash, a traditional bank might be a better fit for your needs. They often have higher withdrawal limits and more physical branches. Use a cash advance app. There are apps that allow you to get cash advances against your paycheck. However, these services usually come with high fees and interest rates, so use them with caution. Before making any decisions, it's crucial to understand the fees associated with each option. Chime might not charge fees for ATM withdrawals, but the ATM itself might. Transfers to other banks can also incur fees. Remember, financial decisions should be based on your specific needs and circumstances. If you're unsure about the best course of action, consider consulting with a financial advisor. Withdrawing $5,000 from Chime isn't impossible, but it's definitely not the most convenient or cost-effective method. Weigh your options carefully and choose the method that works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.